In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate a video in VLC quickly and easily. This is a super useful trick if your video was recorded sideways, upside down, or just needs a different angle for better viewing. VLC is free, simple to use, and you don't need any extra software to get this done. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open VLC Media Player and load the video you want to rotate. You can do this by dragging and dropping the file into VLC or by using the Open File option from the menu. Once your video is playing, look at the top of the screen and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, choose Effects and Filters. This will open a new window where you can adjust different playback effects for your video. In that window, go to the Video Effects tab. This section controls visual changes like crop, color, and rotation. Now click on the Geometry tab. This is the area where VLC gives you control over the shape and orientation of the video. Next, check the box next to Rotate. As soon as you enable it, you'll see a rotation control appear. Use the circular slider to rotate the video in the direction you want. You can turn it until the video is upright, sideways, or at any custom angle that works best for you. Take a moment to preview the result and adjust it if needed. If the video still doesn't look right, just fine-tune the slider until the orientation looks perfect. One thing to remember is that this change is usually for playback inside VLC, so it helps you watch the video correctly without permanently editing the file. That makes it a great quick fix when you just need to view the video properly right away. And that's it. You now know how to rotate a video in VLC in just a few simple clicks. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.